Hello everybody, so here I am filming my first YouTube official video. What to say. I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, where to start? Just doing this for fun as a new hobby and see where it goes. I'm in my favorite time of the year, so I guess that's why I'm so happy, because it's Christmas time. It's Jingle Bells time.
Jingle bell.
I can't wait to see what Santa has in store for me. So I'm home chilling with my family today. It is Saturday, and stop looking at me! Stop! See, I'm shy in front of the camera and they just keep peeping out here to see what I'm doing, and it is making me so nervous. Oh my god. Well, basically my channel is going to be about fitness, health and wellness, all of those things. You see, I'm a midwife, so I also give advice to women, so feel free to send those questions to me, and why not subscribe?